Good evening, viewers. Today I just visit here in South Pattaya. So right now I am near in the beach, South Pattaya, near in the beach, near in the jetty, seaport, Pattaya. So I hope everybody see today this area. So it's very nice and enjoy. Let we go there. Oh, I think this is make new port. I don't know what it is exactly, but it's looking very nice, beautiful. And this is Pattaya old jetty. I think this one also making for new construction. So beautiful. Yes. This road also coming until right now is going to this road. This road trying so going to Chomson beach. And this mountain Pattaya also, South Pattaya. So we will see what is this one. The new also design. I don't know what kind of this. Maybe new port or maybe new design for people can walk from here and see the sea view. Some fisher fishing, the normal people, and very looking beautiful. So beautiful Pattaya. And this one you can walk from here until top up in the mountain. This I think I have many so like that, but people can walk can. And this one I don't know what kind of this design. I think seaport direction before, but right now I don't know what it is. And here also many dogs, and you see so many dogs. This one I telling about this. I think this one new design and maybe some maybe making for the people can walk from here and they see the seaside very nice, beautiful. But still not finished until maybe I don't know how long take time exactly. And this design for port, but I don't know now is somebody is there or not, or maybe nobody there. Just old model and old design here right now. So Weavers is very beautiful Pattaya today. Here also so many dogs, but don't worry, they will not catch you. They will also like normal dog, no hungry, no any fighting with people. And this is the Pattaya, South Pattaya seaside. Beautiful, nice place. If you want to walk here, you can walk here and also go to like that and Chomson Beach. Hi sir, how are you? I just for my YouTube. Nice to meet you. Some people sit down here and the nice people also very good. They're asking also, hi, how are you? So beautiful Thailand. Now we will see Kolan beach. You see this island? This island is Kolan. That one. That one is Kolan. So some boat is running here and beautiful sea view. Nice place. If you want enjoy yourself in the evening, come this place, South Pattaya seaside, near in the seaport, and walking straight that there. If you finish walking straight that the daytime, you walk from there to until here about 10 minutes only. and enjoy yourself here. A nice place. This one I telling about this. I don't know. Maybe for the seaport. Maybe for people can stand here and look sea view, but still not finish. Maybe take long time. Maybe 1 year. I don't know. And now you see the Pattaya is very beautiful area. So nice. Okay, viewers. So today I just come here visit for looking the nice place, Pattaya. You can catch fish from this area. Let's we go see this area. What is this? Okay, that area we will see what is this. Some people catch fish down here and good enjoy. Yes, you can walk in the downside also. From here, can walk, go to down and see the seaside. Yes, Thompson Beach there and Kolan Island there and Pattaya. Your right hand in Pattaya. Beautiful, beautiful. Also Pattaya, beautiful. No people boring here in Pattaya city. Nobody boring. Everybody come here. I was sitting my room, my apartment room. So I thinking why I sitting in the daytime in my room. So I just come here, visit and enjoy myself. You see the seaside? Some speed boat is running also. Okay, viewers. So nice place. Today I visit here about seaside and we can see sea view also and we can see this is the nice place also. You can, if you have car, you can driving from here and go to straight, then coming Johnson Beach. And if you coming from Johnson Beach and you turn to right, then coming walking straight. Okay. So nice place, Pattaya, beautiful and enjoy everybody here. For myself, I never boring in Pattaya city. That's why I'm long time stay here. But I no more boring, no have tension. Okay, viewers. So we will see next video for another said other city. So I right now I come from sorry, I was come from Indonesia. I think is 10 days ago. I continue to stay in Pattaya right now. That's why I no have anywhere to go to some places. I still thinking about which places go, which side in the Thailand, which city the beautiful. I just thinking about this. For me, I think is north area like Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Misai. Maybe I will go later 3 days. After 3 days, I will go there. Maybe so I can make new video for from there. So right now is Pattaya. We will see already Pattaya is beautiful. Some place is very nice. And you can eat also if you hungry. Some restaurant also available, but small restaurant, same like mini restaurant and beautiful. Sun is going to down and night is very soon. You see the green color, dark area, so night coming now. Oh, okay, viewers, beautiful Pattaya. So take care, everybody. Hope you like my channel and subscribe. So next video from Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Misai, Burma border, and Phai city, Phai village, and Myeong Song. Next video. Okay. So take care. Bye bye, everybody.